my fun job.
Mascot, mascot. Team, team. Entertain, entertain. Fan, fan. Match, match. Event, event. Owl costume, owl costume. Silly, silly. Slide, slide. Court, court. Throw, throw. Celebrate, celebrate. Score, score. Idea, idea. In silence, in silence. Tiring, tiring. Luckily, luckily. Waterslide tester, waterslide tester. On holiday, on holiday. Check, check. Splashing water, splashing water. Well paid, well paid. Weather, weather. Freezing, freezing.
These people love their jobs because their work is fun and different. Every morning, they look forward to an exciting new day. What do they do? Let's find out.
Stephen, basketball mascot. Do you like basketball? Then you can be a basketball mascot like me. I'm a mascot for the Temple University team. I entertain the fans at matches and other events. I wear a red owl costume and do silly things. I slide across the court, throw sweets to the fans, and celebrate when my team scores. I have to be creative to think of different ideas to entertain the fans. And I have to do all this in silence. I can't speak a word. I love the work and it's well paid, but it's tiring. Luckily, I only work part-time.
Mark, waterslide tester. I go down fast water slides all around the world, but not when I'm on holiday. It's my job. I visit water parks in places like Turkey, Egypt and Jamaica. I check that the slides are safe and exciting, with lots of splashing water. I love my job. It's interesting, well paid, and I have lots of fun. But it's not always easy. I have to be careful, hardworking and brave. I go down slides in every kind of weather, even when the water's freezing.